Understanding Daytime Talk Shows, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of daytime talk shows. Whether you're a fan of television or just curious about this popular form of entertainment, understanding this phrase is key to grasping a unique aspect of English-speaking cultures. So, let's get started and explore what daytime talk shows really mean. Daytime talk show is a compound phrase in English, and to understand it, we'll break it down into two parts, daytime and talk show. Daytime refers to the time of the day. It's the period after the morning and before the evening, typically when the sun is up and people are awake and active. In TV terms, this means the shows are broadcast during the day, usually between morning and late afternoon. Talk show is a type of television program. These shows involve a host or hosts who talk to guests. These guests can be celebrities, experts, or even ordinary people. The conversations often revolve around a variety of topics like current events, personal stories, or popular culture. Daytime talk shows have some distinct features that set them apart from other TV programs. Audience engagement. These shows often have a live audience in the studio. The audience's reactions are a big part of the show's atmosphere. Variety of segments. They usually include different segments like interviews, discussions, performances, and sometimes games or comedy skits. Informal and conversational tone. The hosts of daytime talk shows tend to have a friendly, informal style. They often chat with guests as if they're having a conversation in someone's living room. Topical and current. These shows frequently discuss current events, trending topics, and cultural phenomena. Daytime talk shows are more than just entertainment. They often have a significant impact on popular culture and public opinion. Influencing trends. These shows can set trends and influence public opinion on various topics. Platform for celebrities. They provide a platform for celebrities to promote their work and connect with fans. Social issues. Sometimes, these shows address social and political issues, contributing to broader public discussions. I hope this video has helped you understand what a daytime talk show is and why it's a significant part of English-speaking media culture. Remember, exploring phrases like this not only helps in learning English but also in understanding the culture behind the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.